Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert an XLSX file to JSON in Power Automate and Logic apps. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated workflows. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on the Create option. This is where you'll start building your new flow from scratch. Once you click it, you'll see several options for creating different types of flows. From the available options, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automating tasks that you want to trigger manually or on demand, giving you full control over when the automation runs. Next, you'll need to set up your trigger. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run this automation whenever you need it without waiting for a scheduled time or external event. After selecting this trigger, click the Create button to proceed. Now click the plus icon to add a new action to your flow. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. This action will allow you to retrieve the Excel file you want to convert. For this example, we'll be using SharePoint, so click on the SharePoint Get File Content option from the results. In the configuration screen, you'll need to input your site address in the first field. Then, in the File Identifier field, locate and select your Excel file from your SharePoint library. This tells Power Automate exactly which file you want to work with. Once that's set up, click the plus icon again and search for Cloud Mersive Convert Excel to JSON. Find this action in the search results and click on it. This is the connector that will handle the actual conversion from Excel to JSON format. Now, in the first field of this action, click the thunder icon to access dynamic content. From the list that appears, click on File Content. This passes the Excel file you retrieved earlier into the conversion action. Then, in the second field, input the name of your Excel file exactly as it appears. Next, click the plus icon once more and search for Create File. Click on this action to add it to your flow. This step will save your newly converted JSON file back to SharePoint. In the Create File action, input your site address and specify the folder path where you want the JSON file to be saved. Then, in the File Name field, enter a name for your file, making sure it ends with .json. This extension is crucial for the file to be recognized as a JSON document. Now, in the File Content field, click the FX button to open the expressions editor. Type binary open parentheses, body open parentheses, single quote, convert underscore XL underscore XLSX underscore to underscore JSON underscore conversion, single quote, close parentheses, and click add. This expression properly formats the converted content so it can be saved as a valid JSON file. With all your actions configured, you can now save your flow and run your automation. Your Excel file will be converted to JSON and saved to the specified SharePoint location. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation that converts Excel files to JSON format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.